let's consider different data. So right now I'm going to type CLC to clear my command window, and I'm also going to type clear to clear my workspace. So, but okay, we'll just see that. As of now, we'll clear the entire workspace, and then we will see how to deal with that Excel sheet. Yeah. So I will take one data x is equal to. I'll start from -2.9. Then I will go ahead with the step size of 0.2, and I'll end my data at 2.9. So just a second, I'll have to use a colon, right? So 2.9 and a semicolon and enter. So this is my data, which starts from -2.9 with a step size of 0.02, and ending and the maximum, the max limit of this vector is 2.9. So it is having all total 291 samples, and it is again a row vector because it has multiple column with it, right? Now we will create the y function, the y variable as well. So in that, I'm going to use exponential function. So exp is for exponential in MATLAB, minus x to the power x only. Yeah, so that is how I'll create the exponential function. And now I'll type a bar. I'm going to call a bar command in MATLAB in bracket x comma y. So that is how I will create a bar chart, the vertical bar chart in MATLAB environment, just like this. Yeah. So if you want to, let's say, if you want to zoom in, you can you can use this particular zoom in option here. So click on that option. So that is highlighted with blue color, and then you can select the area which you want to zoom in your plot, and you can see the details of that. If you want to use a data label option, then we have one option called a data tips. Select that option, and then you can, let's say I'm putting a data tip here. It gives me the value of what is the value at x and what is the value at y. Yeah, and then similarly you can zoom in the entire plot. Yeah, and you can delete you can delete all data tips, or you can delete the current data tips whatever you have selected. That is how we can use the bar plot. You can use bar function to plot the bar plot in MATLAB. That's a vertical bar plot. And if you type bar h, it gives you the horizontal bar chart just like this. Yeah. So that is how you can use this bar and bar h function in MATLAB to go ahead with the if you want to plot, if you want to visualize data in bar format. Now let's understand how we can plot this data in a stair format. So we have one function called stairs, stairs. So we have one function called stairs. The stair functions create a stair step plot. So it can create a stair step plot of y values only, or a stair step plot of x and y values. So here what we'll do, we will first of all we'll have to clear a data, and I'll clear my I'm gonna clear my command window and workspace window as well. Yeah. So I'll create x variable one more time, but different data at this time, 0 with a step size of 0.25, and the ending point is 10, 10. And yeah, so we have total 41 samples. Then y is equal to sine of x. Again 41 samples. Dimension is matching, and then I'll call a function called stairs of x. You can simply call stairs of x like this. Stairs of y, yeah, and stairs of x comma y. So where a stair we are here we are plotting a stair step plot of x and y values. So the visualization for this is gonna be like this. So this is how we can plot the stair. So we can plot a data in stair formats as well. Now let's understand how we can visualize our data in the polar plots. So you might have seen the polar plot, right? So we will plot a data in a polar plot. So for that, I'll just type close all. So close all will closes down all the figure windows which is present in the backend, and I'll type